Let's solve the equation. X times x equals x plus x plus x. We'll simplify both sides, move everything to one side, factor, and then use the zero product property. Step 1. Simplify each side. On the right, x plus x means 3 copies of x. So the right side becomes 3x. On the left, x times x is x to the third power. Step 2. Set the equation to 0. Subtract 3x from both sides to get x to the third minus 3x equals 0. Step 3. Factor out the common x. Both x cubed and 3x share a factor of x. That gives x times, left parenthesis, x squared minus 3, right parenthesis, equals 0. Step 4. Use the zero product property. If a product equals 0, then at least one factor must be 0. So we set x equals 0, or x squared minus 3 equals 0. Solving the second case, x squared equals 3. So x equals square root of 3, or x equals negative square root of 3. Final answer, x equals 0, x equals square root of 3, or x equals negative square root of 3. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on MyVerse Maths.